God bless all here.
Ran, the king of all birds, since even the day he was cutting the furs. Up in the kettle and down with the pan, a penny on top of the penny the ran, for all to see, all dressed up in a holly tree. No Brigie de Courcy, don't be thinking, give us our money and let's go drinking.
There you are. Tell us what's all this about.
The Ran's Day, Brigie, is a famous day, a great tradition right through Ireland. Come in, girls, and I'll tell you all about the Ran's Day and the Ran, the little king of all birds. Do you know why he was called the king of all birds?
No.
Because they had a competition to see which bird would fly the highest. And the eagle, of course, being the big bird with the big wing, flew and flew and flew up to the sky. But you know who was nestling in his feathers? The little Ran. When the eagle got tired, the Ran took off and flew the highest, and therefore became the king of all birds.
That's brilliant.
Isn't that nice?
Tell me though something. This is meant to be done on St. Stephen's Day. isn't it?
That's the
What's
tradition.
The tradition here?
Yes, St. Stephen was the first martyr, and he was hiding in the bushes from the soldiers on the day after Christmas Day. And the little Ran was nestling in the bush, and didn't he start singing? Gave the game away, the soldiers came around, arrested St. Stephen, and stoned him to death. And from that day to this, the Ran has to be killed on St. Stephen's Day. And that's the great custom throughout the country.
Show me how you do it. Let's see you go.
Hey! Out! Up! On! Hi, girls! Hut! Johnny! 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 Hey! Up! Down! Johnny! Hey! Oh! 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 Hey!
Brilliant. Go, you drinking?
Okay, Brigie.